Okay, we've got a problem with a Vaillant 838, so it's the EcoTec Plus 837, showing fault F.28 and F.54. That's a startup failure, ignition, and the fault boiler start. So I'm resetting boiler and trying to go through the sequence of ignition. There is absolutely everything, but the solenoid, the gas valve, it doesn't sound quite as it should. So I decided to check any pressure drops from the pipework while the gas valve should open, and there is no pressure drop, meaning that the gas valve doesn't open. It is not uncommon on those boilers. So as you can hear, boiler is sparking, the gas pressure doesn't drop. So this is connected on the gas inlet to the boiler. Sometimes the wiggling with a harness connecting PCB and the gas valve helps rectifying that problem, but it's super rare. So I tried to do it. Yeah, don't do it yourself. It's 230 volts right here. So right, new gas valve, I'm afraid.